Anything worth doing is never easy at first. Anything worth doing will feel awkward, clumsy, unpolished. Most people wait until they're perfect, until they get it right, until they're ready. And most people never start. They wait. They hesitate. They procrastinate. But here's the truth. The moment you begin, even badly, is the moment growth begins. Success is not born in perfection. It is born in action, in trial, in effort. You will stumble. You will fail. You will look foolish. Good. Because failure is the tuition you pay to learn mastery. Anything worth doing is worth doing badly until you get good. If you wait for the perfect moment, if you wait to feel confident, if you wait until you're ready, you will never begin and nothing will change. So today, start. Start imperfectly. Start boldly. Start anyway. Because greatness begins with the courage to start, even badly. Everyone wants to be great. Everyone wants to succeed. But almost nobody wants to start bad. Almost nobody wants to be awkward. Almost nobody wants to look foolish. So they wait. They hesitate. They hope for the perfect moment. And the perfect moment rarely comes. Here's the secret. Doing it badly is your advantage. Your first mistake, your first clumsy attempt, is more valuable than a year of hesitation. A beginner has permission to fail. A beginner has permission to stumble. A beginner has permission to learn. Perfection is a trap. It stops people from starting. It stops people from trying. It stops people from growing. Think about it. Every master was once a beginner. Every expert was once awkward. Every leader was once uncertain. They didn't start perfect. They didn't wait until they knew everything. They didn't wait until they felt confident. They started, even badly. The beginner's advantage is simple. The sooner you start, the sooner you learn, the sooner you improve, the sooner you succeed. Action beats preparation. Every time, you will stumble. You will make mistakes. You will fumble. Good. Because each misstep is tuition. Each failure is a lesson. Each awkward attempt builds skill. Think of it this way. The longer you wait to start, the longer it takes to succeed. The sooner you begin, even poorly, the faster you learn, the faster you grow. Most people are afraid of looking bad. They fear criticism. They fear judgment. But the truth is, nobody notices your first attempts as much as you think. And the people who do are usually the ones already too busy improving themselves. The beginner has freedom. Freedom to experiment. Freedom to take risks. Freedom to make mistakes. And that freedom turns awkwardness into growth. Do you want to master a skill? Do you want to build a business? Do you want to lead? Do you want to create? Then start badly. Start imperfectly. Start with courage. Because improvement only comes through action, not thought, not planning, not waiting. Action exposes gaps. Action reveals weaknesses. Action teaches what you cannot learn from books. The beginner's advantage is this. Every mistake you make early saves you from failure later. Every misstep now turns into mastery sooner. Look at the world's top performers. They didn't start perfect. They started. They stumbled. They persisted. They grew. And eventually, they became skilled. They became confident. They became extraordinary. A boy waits for confidence. A man builds it through action. Perfection is a myth. Confidence is a practice. Skill is forged in the fire of doing it badly. Start now. Do it badly. Do it imperfectly. Do it with mistakes. Learn. Adjust. Try again. Every attempt moves you closer to mastery. Every stumble makes you stronger. Every failure teaches you something new. Begin today, even if it's small, even if it feels foolish. The beginner's advantage is not just in starting. It's in starting sooner than everyone else. It's in taking action when others are hesitating. It's in embracing mistakes while others avoid them. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every master was once bad. Every successful person started imperfectly. Your first attempt will be ugly. Your first attempt will be clumsy. Your first attempt will be uncomfortable. Good, because that's how mastery begins. That's how growth happens. That's how greatness is built. Do it badly. Do it today. Do it again tomorrow. And one day, you will look back and realize that starting badly was the fastest, surest, and smartest path to becoming great. Most people fear mistakes. They fear looking foolish. They fear failure. So they do nothing. They wait. They hesitate. And nothing happens. Here's the truth. Doing it badly is better than not doing it at all. Even a poor attempt is progress. Even a clumsy effort is a lesson. Mistakes are not the enemy. They are the teacher. Every time you fail, you learn what works. You learn what doesn't. You grow. The person who never makes a mistake never grows, never learns, never improves. Perfection is a trap. It kills momentum. It delays success. The boy fears failure. The man embraces it because mistakes are inevitable. And the sooner you make them, the sooner you succeed. A badly done task today will teach you more than waiting for perfection tomorrow. Imagine an artist. She picks up a brush for the first time. Her strokes are messy. Her colors clash. Her work is crude. Good, because each messy stroke brings her closer to mastery. Each bad painting teaches her technique, teaches her patience, teaches her vision. The same is true in life, in business, in relationships, in personal growth. Badly done is better than not done because action creates feedback. Feedback creates improvement. Improvement creates progress. A man doesn't wait for perfect circumstances. He doesn't wait until he knows everything. He starts. He fails. He learns. He grows. Every mistake is a stepping stone. Every stumble is a teacher. Every failure is tuition. And tuition is cheaper when you start early. The longer you wait, the more expensive the lessons become. Do you want mastery? Do you want success? Do you want freedom? Then embrace mistakes. Do it badly. Do it imperfectly. Do it with courage. Do not fear criticism. Do not fear judgment. Do not fear failure. The world rewards those who act. The world notices those who try. The world respects those who persist, even when they fail. A boy quits after one mistake. A man tries again. A boy hesitates out of fear. A man acts out of purpose. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every master once failed repeatedly. Every success story started with mistakes. Mistakes are the evidence of effort. They are proof that you are moving, proof that you are learning, proof that you are alive. Do not avoid mistakes. Do not ignore them. Do not let them discourage you. Learn from them. Adjust. Improve. Try again. The key is repetition. The key is persistence. The key is refusing to let fear stop you. Badly done is better than not done. Because action creates momentum. Momentum creates skill. Skill creates results. Every time you attempt something, even imperfectly, you move closer to your goal. Every mistake is an opportunity. Every failure is a teacher. Every badly done action is progress in disguise. Stop waiting for perfect. Stop waiting for ready. Stop waiting for easy. Do it badly. Do it now. Do it again tomorrow. And one day, you will realize that your mistakes were the stepping stones to mastery. The boy fears failure. The man respects it. The man learns from it. The man grows because of it. And that is the difference between trying and achieving, between wishing and winning, between a boy and a man. Take action. Embrace mistakes. Do it badly. And watch yourself become unstoppable. Most people quit too soon. They wait for perfect results. They wait for flawless